Torise Biomaterials, founded in 2010, is located in the National Bio-Based Industry Park in Hunan Province. We are committed to the R&D, production and sales of bio-based polymer, biomaterials and products, and aims to produce eco-friendly alternatives to traditional plastics. All of our production workshops cover more than 20,000 square meters. R&D team provides strong technological support for the new product development and continuous supply of high-quality products for customers. The material production workshop has a production capacity reaching 50,000 tons per year. It is equipped with twin-screw extruder, air compressor, mixing machine, etc. to produce modified resins ranging from film extrusion grade, injection molding grade, and straw extrusion grade, which are suitable for manufacturing 100% compostable and biodegradable film products, such as shopping bags, produce bags for vegetables and fruits, and garbage bags, as well as cutlery, drinking straws, etc. The film blowing workshop has a production capacity reaching 20,000 tons per year. Nearly 100 film blowing machines can produce bags of various kinds. The eco-friendly water-based ink supports multicolor printing. The conversion workshop is equipped with high-speed cutting machine, bag-making machine, waste film crusher, etc. We strictly implements the 6S Production Management Standard, ISO Quality and Environmental Management Systems, the Business Social Compliance Initiative, BSCI. There are 5 production workshops for materials, films, printing, and conversion. Equipped with a variety of testing equipment, we can satisfy the need for various test requirements. Elmendorf tearing tester is used for tear resistance test. Falling dart impact tester is used for dart drop impact test. Reticule fatigue tester is used for loading weight test. UV aging test machine is used for aging test. The warehouse covers an area of more than 4,000 square meters. Modern warehouse management satisfies efficient storage. The company adheres to the people-oriented development concept and spares no effort to realize the advancement of enterprises and employees at the same time. The company has BSCI, ISO 9001, ISO 14001 certificates. Our products have a number of international authorized certifications: EU EN 13432, OK Compost, OK Compost Home, US BPI, ASTM D6400, Australia AS 4736, and AS 5810. Our products are popular in both domestic and overseas markets and have been exported to more than 50 countries in Europe, America, Oceania, Southeast Asia, etc. Our 100% compostable and biodegradable main products are modified resin for different applications, and all kinds of shopping bags, garbage bags, non-woven bags, mulching films, seedling raising plates, straws, cutlery, etc. The value of Torise, from nature back to nature. Biodegradable and compostable technology builds a greener earth. Torise Biomaterials, for your healthy and eco-friendly life.